Remember, limit a power n plus b power n plus c power n as n tends to infinity is a. This is a very good trick and a time-saving result. The condition is a must be greater than b must be greater than c. Examples. We can apply the formula for this question. As 4 is greater than 3, we can directly write the answer as 4. This is the question asked in CET. Next example. We have to apply the formula. So we can write it as limit 10 power n minus 8 power n plus 7 power n plus 5 power n whole power n 1 by n whole power 2 as n tends to infinity. We can apply the formula for these terms. So the answer is 10, as 10 is the greater number and the square equal to 100. This is the required answer. Trick number 2. This is another useful and time-saving result. Limit 1 minus cos px upon x square as x tends to 0 can be written as p square upon 2. Let us take an example. Limit 1 minus cos x upon x square as x tends to 0 can be written as 1 by 2. Instead of p, we have to write 1. Number 3. Limit 1 minus cos px upon 1 minus cos qx as x tends to 0 can be written as p square upon q square. Let us take an example. Limit 1 minus cos 6x upon 1 minus cos 7x as x tends to 0 can be written as, instead of p we have to write 6, instead of q we have to write 7, and we have to take their squares. So the answer is 36 upon 49. Trick number 5. Limit 1 plus x upon n whole power n as n tends to infinity can be written as e power x. That of limit 1 minus x upon n whole power n as n tends to infinity can be written as e power minus x. Let us take a very good and simple example. Limit 1 plus 2 upon n whole power n as n tends to infinity can be written as e square. Instead of x, we have to put 2. Remember, if limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to 0, then limit a power f of x minus 1 upon f of x as x tends to a is equal to log a. Consider an example. Limit 5 power sine cube x minus 1 upon sine cube x as x tends to 0 can be written as, when we compare the formulas, instead of f of x we have sine cube x, instead of a we have 5. So we can write the answer as log 5 when we compare to log a. These all examples that I have taken are from competitive exams. Thank you.